the corn put band would they come forward and get formed up here. And when they get formed up, Tom's going to give a talk on the history of the corn band, and listen attentively to what he has to say.
Right, I'll leave the history of the flute band just to the very end there after the played. There's some of the young ones there, their mums and dads are coming from about 9:30 or so. So I'll talk for half an hour here now. Not as bad as that. No, it was nice to see our brother in there with the lambeg drums. I was brought up with lambeg drums myself. My dad here was always keen on the lambeg drums, and my grandfather, Wally John Campbell, my Uncle Billy's father, belonged to Black Hill Lodge, which was a breakaway from the old Ballynina Lodge at that time. And so our yards, as I talk about, used to be a great gathering place for lambeg drums. And it was, as a small child, I think I slept through the noise of lambeg drums. Then I kept my dad up all night. I didn't sleep at night then, so I slept through the noise of lambeg drum, then I broke his heart through the night time. And the time he could have shook me, but anyway. Just what Evan was saying there, I just turned 50 there a few weeks ago, and I was fortunate enough, my wife took me to a very romantic weekend over to Paris. And we went to the, they got a chance to go to the Palace at Versailles, and there were some lovely paintings on throughout the whole palace. And just what he was saying there, that's true enough. There was some great paintings that were done a banner printer proud to have seen them of the battles that took place throughout Europe, obviously connected with the French. It's a place where Keith Morris will have to go sometime. He'd spend a day at it in Waller. But the paintings on it showed a lot of the armies, the Dutch armies, the French armies, German armies way back at the turn of the 17th century, 1600 and something. And just what he said there, because it grabbed my attention as well, was these big, they looked like brass drums with the rope tension strewn just on the side of the horse, and that was then done to battle. And I remember thinking, those would have made good lambeg drums. So it's like what Evan was saying there, that's true enough. You could see it clearly there. That's where they must have started from. But I'll tell you later on in the programme that the skeleton drum, of which Curtin Flute Band is associated with for a long number of years now, basically was a step forward from the lambeg drum, and we'll just tell you all about that later on. I'll ask the band to come forward. He wants to play a wee while, won't you? Because every time we go to a wee concert there, my brother Nigel always talks about he will get warmed up and nervous to leave the stage. And you'll see that night whenever he comes forward here, he usually takes the good or the drumming. And I'll probably make mention later on, my dad here I'm allowed to tell your age, Dad, am I? Aye, why not? My dad's 75 years of age now, and I think he's the same age as Jim Austin, isn't he, Jim? You and him's the same age. Sorry, Jim, just noticed you there. But my dad still flutes in the band yet, and we're very proud of that. We were very proud as young lads growing up to have a father who led us into the band too, and hopefully, in the will of the Lord, we'll be able to carry that on. And we owe that to our dad, and it's nice of him to come along here tonight. And so bear with us while we play a few tunes here. Thank you.
While the band's forming up here, remember it's Friday night. If you haven't heard Holy Drennan and Company, there's something special on Friday night. And if you need a ticket, Gareth has them, but different ones has them. I have them here, and I would like to sell them to you because they want to support this Cranny Culture Community Group. They're doing a good job, and we're very